Bloating can be caused by a number of things, which include lactose intolerance, slow digestive system, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, irritable bowel syndrome. So in today's video, you will learn 2 home remedies that can help relieve bloating, gas, and acidity. For the first remedy, we need peppermint. Peppermint has a natural muscle relaxing property that can help with bloating, gas, and acidity. We also need ginger. Ginger helps with bloating and also with stomach pain. We need honey. Please make sure you are using original honey. Honey can help relax the muscle of the gastrointestinal tract, which can relieve bloating, gas, and acidity. So this is the first remedy. For the second remedy, we need fennel seed. This is fennel seed. You can get this in your local market. Fennel seed can improve digestion by reducing the number of microorganisms in the gut. We also need green tea. Green tea contains, this is the type I use. It contains antioxidants that can help with bloating, gas, and acidity. So guys, this is not a daily tea. You can only take this tea if only you feel bloated. So whenever you are bloated or you feel discomfort whenever you eat, you can quickly make this tea and drink. It will help you relieve that discomfort you feel after eating. So let me show you how you can make this tea.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. enough.